Today, let's take a look about my sj5000x. It have a Wi-Fi function to download video to phones, but it's unstable and super slow, and only work on Android phone. So let's learn this Hindi. It solve all the problems. First, let's record a test video. Then, find the file name of the video. Turn on the Wi-Fi. First, test the original app. Let's start the download. It works, but no, it's just rubbish. Look at more detail in the Wi-Fi setting. The gateway. Connect to it with any browser. The HFS server. Find the file and download it. Yet much quicker. Full video are downloaded. Thanks for watching.